So dear students, we are going to prepare chapter 44, that is very important for your exam point of view. So you have to go through it and try to learn it. Okay. So see first question here. When is the World Energy Day observed? When is the World Energy Day observed? Okay, so try to answer it. 5th September, 6th August or 14th December. When is the World Energy Day observed? When we observe World Energy Day? So it's on 14th December. World Energy Day observed on 14th December. World Energy Day observed on 14th December. When is the United Nations Day observed? When is the United Nations Day observed? So when it is observed, try to find out. So it's also observed on 24th October. Okay, so United Nations Day also observed on 24th October. So World Energy Day 14th December, United Nations Day 24th October. Okay, World Energy Day 14th December, United Nations Day 24th October. When is the International Day of Disabled Person observed? International Day of Disabled Person. Disabled person, you know, means they have some disability related to, means they have some problem in their leg or their hand. Okay, maybe some other mental problem is there. So disability is of many types. So when is the International Day of Disabled Person observed? Third one is C, 3rd December. On 3rd December we observed International Day of Disabled Person. Okay, International Day of Disabled Person we observed on 3rd December. When is the Literacy Day observed? When is the Literacy Day observed? 8th September. On 8th September we observed Literacy Day. Okay, Literacy Day we observed on 8th September. Then fifth one is, when is the World Population Day observed? When is the World Population Day observed? Fifth one, C. So World Population Day observed on 11th July. It's observed on 11th July. So we observed World Population Day on 11th July. Okay. Now when is the World Laughter Day observed? When is the World Laughter Day observed? Sixth one. So it's on 10th January. On 10th January we observed World Laughter Day. So learn it. Next, when is the World Day of Water observed? When we observed World Day of Water, so that we observed on 13th September. On 13th September World Day of Water we observed. Next, 8th one. When is the World Telecommunication Day observed? When is the World Telecommunication Day observed? That is 17th May. On 17th May we observe World Telecommunication Day. On 17th May we observed World Telecommunication Day. When is the World Tourism Day observed? 9th one. When is the World Tourism Day observed? So 27th September World Tourism Day observed. On 27th September we observed World Tourism Day on 27th September. When is the World Environmental Day observed? When we observe World Environmental Day, so we observed it on 5th June. On 5th June we observed World Environmental Day. So World Environmental Day we observed on 5th June. Then when is the World Tourism Day observed? When is the World Tourism Day observed? So it's observed on 27th September. On 27th September we observed World Tourism Day. When is the World Telecommunication Day observed? When is the World Telecommunication Day observed? 8th B. That is the 17th May. 17th May World Telecommunication Day observed. When is the World Day of Water observed? So World Day of Water observed, that is 13th September. On 13th September, World Day of Water observed. When is the World Laughter Day observed? So World Laughter Day observed on 10th January. We observed World Laughter Day on 10th January. When is the World Population Day observed? So World Population Day observed on 11th July. On 11th July we observed World Population Day. When is the Literacy Day observed? Literacy Day observed, that is fourth one B. 8th September we observed World Literacy Day. When is the International Day of Disabled Person observed? So third one we observed it on C, that is 3rd December. On 3rd December we observed World International Day of Disabled Person. When is the United Nations Day observed? So when we observed United Nations Day, so this we observed on 24th October. On 24th October we observed United Nations Day. When is the World Energy Day observed? World Energy Day observed on 14th December. On 14th December we observed World Energy Day. On 14th December we observed World Energy Day. When is the United Nations Day observed? So it's observed on 24th October. When is the International Day of Disabled Person observed? So third one is C, 3rd December we observed International Day of Disabled Person. When is the Literacy Day observed? So fourth one is B, 8th September we observed World Literacy Day. When is the World Population Day observed? Fifth one C, 11th July World Population Day observed. When is the World Laughter Day observed? Sixth one 10th January World Laughter Day observed. When is the World Day of Water observed? So World Day of Water observed on 13th September. On 13th September we observed World Day of Water. When is the World Telecommunication Day observed? 8th one World Telecommunication Day. So that one is 17th May we observed World Telecommunication Day. When is the World Tourism Day observed? 9th one 27th September we observed World Tourism Day. When is the World Environment Day observed? So that one is 5th June. 5th June we observed World Environment Day. We observed on 5th June. So this chapter you need to prepare properly. It's a very important chapter, and here one more important chapter is there that you can see amazing facts that also you need to learn. So peer pressure, you need to learn about the positive peer pressure and negative peer pressure. So for your moral development this chapter is very important. So you go through it and learn it. Then next here you can see that chapter astronomical observatories. So you can see OT radio telescope is in OT. Then 6M Devasthal optical telescope is in Nainital. Then Vanu Bappu observatory is in Vellore. Then Giravali observatory is in Pune. Kodaikanal solar observatory is in Kodaikanal. Gauri Bidan Noor radio observatory in Gauri with Noor. Old Madras observatory is in Chennai. Indian astronomical observatory is in Hanle. Then giant Metri wave radio telescope is in Pune. Then Udaipur solar observatory is in Udaipur. Now here you can read about the robots. Okay, so robots also very important chapter for your exam point of view. So learn the name of robots. Okay, it's very important to learn the name of these robots. So do it. So these chapters important here. Musical instrument, from which country they will belongs, that you need to learn. So do it, and only these chapters will come in your exam, and PT2 syllabus will also come. So after half yearly whatever is taught, that will come in your exam. So please go through it and try to find it and do it properly. Thank you.